Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as requested in my previous videos, anytime I do video, you guys said I should do video on how to create a Textnow account. So in this video, we'll be creating a Textnow account. So first of all, as you all know, we need to connect to our VPN. So in this video, I will be using Turn to Tap as my listing. So I'm connecting to United States of India. I think I'm connected. So let me confirm my connection location. Alright, so as you can see, we are currently in United States. So I want to make this video as short as possible. So let's go to our test account and click on sign up with Google. Sign up. Allow. So you allow it to load. Click on, I don't know. Alright. So let's go with this. Close. I think it's going for a separate account. Alright. You click on, sorry, that happened because I think there was an account before, so the account was disabled. That's why it shows like that. But it's currently using Gmail. I click on, so you click on do not use location. Let's use 500. Continue. Phone number. Let's go for the free ones. Click on continue. So you press and hold. Click on personal account. Setup. Allow, allow. And boom, you have successfully created your Textnow account. And this is, how do I check let me check. Let me try sending a message now. 250, 450. Let's see, hi. And so let me say hello as well. As you can see it right here, to my talk continue, you can see the message right here. So this is for on how to create your Textnow account. You can see the number right here. Here is the number. Here's the number. So for confirmation, let me see. You can see the message here. Let me tap on it for you guys to see. Alright, you can see the message I sent here. This is it. So we have successfully created our Textnow account. as easy as this. This is just it. Alright, so don't forget to comment on which video you want me to create next. As you all know, I will always deliver. This is it. Thank you guys. And sorry, I have for you to confirm if your VPN is 100% working. What you do is use this set called this right there. You once you click on it, it will show you how strong your let's see my alright, you can see it here. Let me see it. Here you can see the anonymity is 90%. And the reason it is 90% was that you can see my time is not I did not change my time zone to USA, which is red flag. So if you want to do yours, I will recommend you change your time zone. There's